Hello. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to run Facebook partnership ad, or as known as Facebook branded content ads. So there are three different ways to do this, and I'm going to explain you how you're going to implement each of these to run branded content or influencer marketing campaigns. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and how you can do this. So first of all, you need to go to your ads manager. Once you are on your ads manager, you need to go to business settings. So we're going to see where are the business settings. So if you can't find anything and it's a little bit complicated for you, so you want to simply click on this icon over here. Then you want to simply enter your desired output that you want to get. So in this case, I want to see the business setting. So I'm going to simply click on it. Now the business setting will open in front of me. Once you are in business settings, you need to scroll down a little bit until you see partner ID section. So we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, we can see add partnerships. You want to simply click on it. So this is the first method that we're going to discuss. And over here, you need to click on add partnerships. So over here, you need to add your celebrity name, influencer name, or content creator name. So once you click on it, once you add the name of the influencer over here, uh, their profile be gonna appear over here. Then you wanna simply click on it, send them the request. Then after that, if they approve, you wanna connect your business manager, that whatever the business or whatever the ad account that you want to connect with that. Then once they approve and review it, then that specific influencer will be added to your partnership ads hub. So this is the first method that you're gonna do. The second method is that you need to go to your ads manager. You wanna simply click on create campaign. Then after that, you're gonna come to at the ads level. So once you are at the ad level, you're gonna see partnership ad over here. You need to toggle this on. So once you toggle this on, you're gonna click on enter ad code or post info. So over here, you will add the post ID, the post URL that your creator or influencer have provided you. So you wanna simply ask them to provide you the URL, post ID to you. Once you add that specific ID over here, then your ad somehow gonna look like this. So for example, my influencer name is ABC and my brand name is XYZ. So this is how it will look like. So once I add that specific ID over here, they will gonna get a notification on their device that XYZ brand wants to collaborate with you. So if you already paid them and if you already have some sort of understanding and arrangements with them, then they're gonna approve it. Then after that, you will be able to run ads. So this is the second method. And the third method is that you need to go to ad setup. Then instead of create ad, you need to click on use existing post. And you need to go to select post. Once you click on select post, then you need to go to partner content. So if you already have partners, as I suggested that if you already added them in the partnership ads hub, then all of your partners and all of your influencers will gonna be appear over here. Then you wanna simply click on it, select it, continue it, and then you will be good to go. So these are the three different methods from which you can run like branded content ads or influencer content ads. So implement this and see how good results you're gonna get. So this is it. If you like the video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This really helps me to be motivated and make new videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.